Hello little creatives! If you're looking for some tips to save space at home, pay attention to this video because we're going to discover this wonderful folding bed. We are also going to see this fantastic extendable table or this mysterious piece of furniture that turns into a kitchen. Oh, and also this table that works as a kitchen. Let's see it!
Saving space in your house is easy if you know how. For example, it is possible to sleep on a shelf. Don't you understand what I'm saying? Don't worry, I'll explain it to you. This shelf hides a queen-size bed inside.
Without a doubt, every day is more furniture that help us to save space at home.
When closed, it is a convincing bookcase or TV console. But really, there is a wall bed hidden inside. This is the ultimate in space-saving and hidden bed design. When your guests see this furniture, they're going to freak out.
I would love to be one of those guests because I think this bed is wonderful.
Be honest, if you see this shelf, would you think there's a bed behind it? I don't think so. In addition to saving space, it's a very elegant bookcase. I'll move in here. You've probably seen a lot of tables in your life, but this one is very special. It's the perfect table for small apartments. This white glass dining table, despite looking solid, will lower to become a chic coffee table. Don't you believe it? Let's see it. Open your eyes wide because with just a few moments, the table is transformed into a completely different one. One touch here, one touch there, and that's it. The change is impressive.
What I like best of this type of table is that at first glance it looks like a normal table, but then it's a great space saver.
That is much more than just a nice chest of drawers. Look closely. It's not what it looked like. It has a secret inside. You still don't know what it is? Let's find out. When the cabinet's cover is removed, we find an induction cooker and a water tap. But that's not all. At the bottom, there's a fridge and a drawer. Did you expect to find this? It's fantastic! This kitchen is perfect for small houses and it saves a lot of space. It's a quick and useful solution. Can you imagine making a fried egg in this kitchen? Cheer up! Every today, the price of the apartments is more expensive, and not all of us are Kim Kardashian to pay for it. So, if you have a small house and you want to save space, pay attention to this video. There are companies that are exclusively dedicated to manufacturing furniture for small houses. Here is an example. It is a table that fits inside another piece of furniture. It is like playing Tetris!
Speaking of Tetris, did you know that this popular game was created by a Russian computer engineer over 35 years ago? Well, now you know.
In this case, size does matter. The table has 4 places for surprise guests. It is also very easy to operate. With furniture like this, nothing is what it seems. If you think you've seen everything in terms of home furnishing, let me say no. In this video, I'm going to show you a very special table controlled by an iPad. Do you see this stove somewhere in this room? I don't think so, because it's hidden inside this table. How is that possible? Thanks to technology, by hitting a button on the iPad, you can make it rise from inside the table.
You can appear a kitchen on your table. It's super easy and comfortable. I love technology.
This kitchen is perfect for saving space at home. Plus, the table has enough room to eat for up to 4 people. Isn't it wonderful? I'm craving something to eat.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. Bye!